it's Nicole. Today I will be walking you through the Starfall program. Starfall is a personal favorite of mine. Starfall has a free website version that shares educational resources such as reading and math. Starfall's learning resources can be adapted to learners with disabilities and encourage language, reading, math, phonics, and so much more. Starfall is widely used in classrooms. Personally, as a preschool and second grade teacher, I use Starfall in my classroom to encourage and reinforce teaching concepts. Um, so here we have Starfall. I Googled in the word Starfall, and as you can see, starfall.com popped up right here. Where it says Starfall Educational Education for Kids, Games, Movies, K through 3. All right, so I clicked on that. I just want to point out that Starfall has a wealth of supportive materials for parents, teachers, and adults. There's a store if adults would like to purchase additional resources on the Starfall website. We will be just using the free version. But there's also a version where you can purchase, and there's so much more there. If you go to, not sign in, sorry. If you go to how to join and join online today, it gives you many of the options for joining Starfall. All right. So we're going to just go back. So I think the value of the free version is pretty good. I've always used the free version in my class, and there was just a wealth of activities and things for them to do just on the free version. So, but they do have the option for you to purchase more. All right, we're going to visit the Parent Teacher Center really quick, just so you can get a look at some of the resources that are offered to parents, teachers, and adults. They have customizable worksheets, free resources, and they have a tutorial on how to utilize Starfall. They have lesson plans, lesson plan guides, and alignments, and especially with COVID-19 this day, this is a really, really good resources for parents who are looking for ways to engage learners. There's tons of free resources, free lesson plans that can be adapted. And then there's just ways to learn more. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys some of those supportive materials. All right, we are going to visit the kindergarten and pre-K. All right, as you can see, it's pretty user-friendly. With my preschoolers, I just kind of saved the starfall.com to my favorites page, and I just taught my learners how to visit that favorite icon, and then they were able to access it on their own. They were able to navigate the website on their own. So as you can see, they have math, numbers, kindergarten, tons of activities, ABCs, colors, learn to read, nursery rhymes, ABC rhymes. It's fun to read. Think plans for emotion and motion songs that teach about emotion. So there's just so much on this website. It's just a wealth of resources here. Okay, so we're going to go to the kindergarten math activity that we are going to so I'm going to walk you guys through the greater than and less than math activity, and you can see the activities that were free. All right, I'm just going to scroll back one time just to show you guys this one thing before we walk through the activity. So the programs that are free, you can see they're highlighted in color. Okay. All right. So we're going to do the greater than and less than equal to activity. All right. So I'm going to press play. All right, so as we can see here, this is very accessible. They have the words, one is less than two. They have they have it written for you. The icons are visual, and you can also hear it. There's an air button right here, and you can press the air button. and it'll speak it for you as well. So it's very accessible, and it's also um, so it's a supportive, it's accessible. The content is spot on with learners of this age group. You can see they earn a reinforcement here when it is correct. So it has the arrow. It has the arrow to go to the next screen. All right, we have the visuals. One is, okay, we're going to see what happens when we don't get it correct. Okay. All right, so they just put it here like you have to review it, okay? All right, so let's move on to the next one. So it's not like it's also I like how it highlights. When you go through each one, you can see how it highlights the words in red as it's being spoken to. So as you see, when you got it incorrect, they just put the correct answer. Okay. And when you got it correct, then they gave you a reinforcer in the form of the strawberry or the fruit. So, all right. Again, and you can use the ear if you need to hear it again. All right. And it provides the reinforcement. Thank you for viewing my walkthrough of Starfall. Have a great day.